Morning students, welcome to EVS class. Today we will start chapter number 15, Water in Our Lives. Yes student, water is precious and should be used wisely. We are aware of the importance of water in our life. Life would be difficult if we do not have water even for a day. Water is a basic necessity. So it is important to use water wisely and not waste it. Earth is called the blue planet because 3/4 of Earth is covered with water. But even then, we often face water shortage. In this chapter, we will learn about the sources of water, importance of water, water cycle, reason of water shortage, and shortage of water. Water is one of the most important natural resources found on Earth. It is present all the three states: solid, liquid, gas. Ice, which is the solid form of water. Liquid is normal water which we drink, liquid form of water. Steam is the gaseous form of water. Water exists on the earth mainly in the liquid form. Sources of water. Yes children, where does the water come from? Rain. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. It fills rivers, lakes and ponds that form surface water. Water on earth is called surface water. Although there is so much water on the earth, 97% of it is present in seas and oceans and is salty. Hence, it cannot be used for household purposes. Household purposes means घर के कामों में use होने वाला water. Pond is the small water body and the lake is a large water body. A river is a water body that has water flowing down from the mountains. Water from river and lakes is used for domestic purposes. Domestic purposes means घर के कामों में use होने वाला water. Most rivers join large water bodies such as seas and oceans. Yes children, water flowing down from the mountains is called rivers. Large water body is lake. The main sources of water is rain. Next, rainwater seeps into the ground through the soil and is available as underground water. Yes, children, what is underground water? Underground water, the water under the earth is called underground water. And the underground water can be drawn out by digging wells with the help of hand pumps and tube wells. Water drawn out by the tube well is used for irrigating fields. Irrigating means सिंचाई के काम आता है. खेतों को जो पानी दिया जाता है वो ट्यूबवेल की हेल्प से अंडरग्राउंड वाटर को बाहर निकाला जाता है और उससे खेतों की सिंचाई की जाती है. इन टाउन्स एंड सिटी, water is supplied to our homes from rivers and lakes. The public water supply system is responsible for cleaning this water and then supplying the clean water to our house through a network of pipes. The water in our taps is often not safe for drinking. This water can be made safe for drinking by boiling and using water filter. Yes children, जो पानी हमारे घरों में आता है वो कहाँ से आता है? थ्रू द टैप्स. पब्लिक वाटर सप्लाई सिस्टम रिवर्स और लेक्स के पानी को क्लीन करके हमारे घरों में पाइप्स के थ्रू पहुंचाते हैं और वो वाटर हम या तो उसको बॉईल करके या फिर उसको फिल्टर करके पीते हैं. वाटर वर्शिप. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज वाटर वर्शिप. सिंस एंशिएंट टाइम्स water has been worshipped in our country. People pray to the rain god in case there is no rain. जहाँ पे ज़्यादा बारिश नहीं होती वहाँ पे लोग रेन गॉड की को प्रे करते हैं रेन के लिए. तो रिवर्स लाइक गैंजेस आर कंसिडर्ड होली. होली मीन्स पवित्र. पीपल बिलीव दैट टेकिंग ए डिप इन दिस रिवर frees a person from all sins. Holy water is also used by the Muslim before namaz. Christians also sprinkle holy water. The Amrit Sarovar at Golden Temple in Amritsar, Baulis of Rajasthan, Pushkarins of South India, Kunds of North India are sacred tanks and are ways in which water was conserved in ancient India. People are often seen washing their hands and feet before entering sacred places like gurdwaras and temples. People in India worship water and use it in different ways for religious purposes. लोगों का मानना है कि गंगा, यमुना और सरस्वती जैसे पवित्र नदियों में स्नान करने से पाप दूर हो जाते हैं, तो वो इन पानी की पूजा पवित्र जल के रूप में इनको पूजते हैं. So children, this is the half chapter. The remaining chapter will be sent to you later in the next video. Thank you.